Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Your home isn't just a place where you live, it's your personal haven, a reflection of your personality, and the space where memories are made. Designing and decorating it thoughtfully can transform the way you experience life at home. But with so many options, where do you start? Whether you're aiming for a total redesign or simply looking for quick updates, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into practical yet stylish interior design and home decorating ideas for every room in your home. From the living room to the bedroom, kitchen, and even bathrooms, we've got creative tips to make your home truly stand out. And don't worry, these ideas work for all spaces, from cozy apartments to spacious houses. Stay tuned to the end, where we'll share bonus tips for adding the finishing touches to your space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the best home decor inspiration. Let's get started. The living room is where you spend most of your time entertaining, relaxing, or just unwinding after a long day. This space should feel both functional and visually impactful. Start by choosing a focal point to anchor the room, a bold piece of art, a unique coffee table, or even a stunning gallery wall. Pair this with furniture that balances comfort and style. For example, a deep sectional paired with sleek accent chairs can create a cozy yet polished look. Layering is key when it comes to making the room feel complete. Add a large area rug to define the space, throw blankets for texture, and pillows in varying sizes and patterns for a lived-in yet curated look. Don't forget about lighting. Combine natural light with floor lamps, table lamps, and a striking chandelier to create depth and dimension. Your bedroom is your sanctuary, a place where you recharge and relax. To create a calming atmosphere, focus on soothing colors and comfortable textures. Soft hues like pastel blues, warm neutrals, or blush pinks work wonders in promoting tranquility. Invest in quality bedding, it's worth every penny. Look for high thread count sheets, cozy throws, and a variety of pillows to create a plush, hotel-like bed. Add a stylish headboard or canopy for a touch of drama and sophistication. Beyond the basics, don't overlook decor. A statement mirror above your dresser can make the room feel larger, while a gallery wall featuring calming artwork or photos of loved ones can make the space feel personal. Consider adding blackout curtains for uninterrupted sleep and bedside lamps with adjustable brightness for convenience. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where meals are created, memories are shared, and let's be honest, where most guests tend to gather. A stylish kitchen doesn't just look good, it also needs to be highly functional. Start with smart storage solutions. Use pull-out shelves, hanging racks for pots and pans, and dividers and drawers to maximize every inch of space. For open shelving, style it with a mix of practical items like dishes and decorative elements like plants or cookbooks. To add personality, consider a bold backsplash in tiles or wallpaper that complements the rest of your home. Two-tone cabinetry like white uppers and navy lowers can create a fresh, modern vibe. If you're into minimalism, keep things sleek with hidden handles or matte finishes. If you're loving these ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our community of design lovers. Give this video a like if you're inspired, and drop a comment to let us know which room you're most excited to decorate. Your bathroom might be one of the smallest spaces in your home, but it has the potential to pack a big punch when it comes to style. The goal here is to create a spa-like atmosphere that feels both calming and luxurious. Start with a clean, neutral color palette. Think whites, grays, or soft pastels. Incorporate natural materials like stone, wood, or bamboo for a soothing vibe. Add elements like a rainfall showerhead, soft towels, and a plush bath mat to elevate the everyday. For a touch of luxury, install a backlit mirror or go for bold fixtures in matte black, brushed gold, or polished chrome. Storage can also be stylish. Opt for floating shelves, a chic ladder rack, or baskets for organizing toiletries. They say the details make the design, and this couldn't be more true when it comes to home decor. Small changes can have a big impact on the overall feel of your space. Start by updating hardware on cabinets and drawers. It's an easy and affordable way to give your furniture a facelift. Choose stylish options like brushed gold, matte black, or even fun ceramic knobs for a quirky touch. Introduce textiles like new curtains, tablecloths, or throws to refresh a space without a full makeover. Layer rugs for added texture or choose a bold patterned one to ground your design. Mirrors are another detail that can work wonders. Not only do they add style, but they also reflect light and make small spaces feel bigger. Hang one strategically in darker corners or narrow hallways. Your home is your story, and every piece of decor helps tell it. Whether you're revamping one room or the entire house, these interior design ideas can help you create a space that's both beautiful and functional. We hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and let us know in the comments which idea was your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting home decor ideas. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.